Well, hello again. This is page 6 and page 7 now because we've got the kitchen. The kitchen's quite a big one. So I'm just going to go around the words that they've got around the outside of the page because there's lots of things in these pictures. I mean, this is such a really nice illustrated book. It's so pretty. My kids had a similar one when they were kids. Obviously they were Portuguese, so it wasn't for them to learn Portuguese, but it was just to help them learn how to read. And I love these books. They're really cute. So first of all, we have a duck on these pages as well. So I'm going to ask you the question, onde está o pato? Answers in the comments. You have to answer in Portuguese. Okay, so let's go. Starting from the top, making our way around this way. We're going to start with o lava-louça. This is the kitchen sink. It's got everything, including the kitchen sink. A chaleira, the kettle. As facas, the knives. A esfregona. Now it looks like a brush when they've put esfregona, but they actually mean mop. So esfregona is actually a mop. O pano de pó. This is a duster, to dust with, basically a cloth to dust with. Os azulejos. Azulejos are the tiles in the kitchen. A vassoura is the brush. A máquina de lavar roupa. That's a washing machine. A pá do lixo, that's a dustpan. A gaveta. Gaveta is a drawer. Uma gaveta, one drawer. A gaveta, the drawer. Os pires, sauces. You might need that word, it might come in handy. A frigideira is a frying pan. It's funny because frigideira, people think often fridge, but it's not. O fogão. Fogão is cooker. Now that would be a freestanding cooker. A lot of the times people nowadays don't really have freestanding cookers, so they'll have the oven separately from the hob. So that would be forno, and then you'd have like a placa elétrica on top, maybe like an electric or something, maybe, I don't know, maybe gas. As colheres de pau, wooden spoons. Os pratos, the plates. O ferro de engomar. O ferro de engomar. This is the iron, the ironing iron. Now, you could just call it o ferro. People would know what you meant. O armário. So we've got a cupboard to put all these things in, the ironing board and everything, the mop, esfregona, vassoura, o ferro. Now, I like o armário because it reminds me of Scouse when you say, oh, here's our armário. Yeah, armário. Nice way to remember. As taças, bowls, like cereal bowls. A escova, so we've got another escova. So we've got escova de dentes, escova to brush your hair, and we've got escova to scrub the floor with. A caixa de fósforos, matchbox. As chávenas. Now these are generally teacups. Mugs would be called canecas. O pano de cozinha. Pano de cozinha. That would be a dishcloth, like a tea towel. O lixo, the rubbish. A tábua de passar ferro. Yeah, tábua de passar ferro. That would be ironing board. O avental. Avental is an apron. Os garfos, forks. As caçarolas, pans, or you could call them panelas as well. O aspirador, the hoover. A porta, the door. Now that could be the door of anything, the door of a cupboard, the door of a house, the door of the fridge. A chave, the key. O detergente, detergent. They've just said generalized detergent. So you've got detergente para lavar roupa, which would be to wash clothes with. And you've got detergente para lavar a louça, which would be washing up liquid, yeah? O interruptor, they mentioned the interruptor here. Interruptor, light switch, or switch. As colheres, the spoons. O banco is basically a stool. Banco also means bank, like where you put your money. O relógio, the clock. Also for watch, you would use the same word. Relógio would be a big clock or it would be a wristwatch. Relógio de pulso. Os copos, the glasses, not cups, glasses. O frigorífico. Now I like the word frigorífico. It sounds like a new word for something that's really good. It's frigorífico. Okay, so that's today's. That was page 6 and 7. Don't forget, tell me in the comments, onde está o patinho? See you next time.